Here is a simple and colorful TLM for seasons made from an empty cardboard box without spending money. Do you like to watch it? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Romba Easy. To make this TLM, first take a rectangular carton box and 4 color papers. Cut the color papers according to the size of the box. I have taken yellow color for summer, blue color for monsoon, green color for spring and brown for autumn. After cutting them to the size of the box, apply glue and stick the color papers as shown, covering all the 4 sides. Now cut some chart pieces matching to the sides of the box and keep it aside, which we will be using it later. To show summer, take the yellow side and draw a smiling sun as shown and color it out. For the autumn season, draw some leaves on the brown side. For the spring season, draw some beautiful flowers in different color papers. Write the names of the season on the 4 sides of the box. For monsoon season, cut some clouds and raindrops from the color papers. Then glue them as shown. Next, I have taken a green color paper. Draw some grass and cut it out. With bits of color papers, draw some flowers and cut them out. Stick it for the spring season. Now paste some leaves to the plants. You can also draw them and color as well. Now stick some transparent tape to the edges of them to fix it. Now the TLM for seasons is ready, which you can use for any lesson. I am using it to teach the poem Indian Seasons. So I take the chart pieces and wrote the poem lines on each piece. Fix a stick on back of them. Make 4 points on the top of the box and make a small hole to insert it. Now I can insert the cards in the box. After using it, the cards can be taken out and stored in the same box for next use. That's it. You can use it for any of your lesson by making new cards. I have previously made many videos like this. To watch them, please click the link given in the description box below for more TLM ideas. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe now. Thanks for watching and never stop learning. Bye.